When we come to the technological side of it, women have the freedom to move around. If they really wanted to achieve vaginal delivery, it is number one advantage for women. But signal loss is very less. Also, the partogram that we have used, electronic partogram, that's also important. Partogram is usually retrospectively written.
Yes.
Here,
It
is, it's real time.
Absolutely.
And also, this is a real time relay of what is happening with the lady and the baby.
I think the workload, be it the doctors, be it the nurses, has been remarkably decreased.
That's right. And we had to go from room to room to look at the traces. And
oh my God,
yes.
I remember in my time, we used to do the internship and I used to go to every bed for the vitals. And by the time I was finished with all the beds, I had to do one more round. Because the first lady, it's been like 1 hour. But by the time she has been catered. So that workload, I think, has been remarkably
and also safety has improved with all these. Technology, I think we should use it.
Yes.
And also remote monitoring. For example, far off places, they say just send us the link and say, look, can you have a look at the trace? So we have an access to the entire trace. Which is another thing. Okay.
I always joke about like you can be sitting on a Goa beach and then also you can monitor your patient. Lastly, thank you so much for your support to Janayatri and anything like apart from just the product and service aspect, anything that you hold close when it comes to the organization. Anything like any particular incident or anything that you look back to when it comes to when we were starting out. Till now, it's been 10 years for us. So, any special message that you have?
It's fairly cost effective. This sort of technology to be available, it would have costed thousands of dollars or pounds. So, it's still quite cost effective for all the advantages. If the cost can come down further, that would also be fantastic. So, that's another thing. And also, labor wards have been made safe. Doctors' lives have been made easy. Medico-legally, it's much more safer. So, all these put together, I would say, Janayatri has helped the obstetricians. And as obstetricians, we have helped Janayatri to develop these products.
And I hope this entire camaraderie goes on forever.
I hope so. And also, the obstetric shock index will be a very important development to recognize, early,
the woman is going in.
Early, whether she is going into hypovolemia or hypovolemic shock, etc. That would again save many lives.
Absolutely.
Very important.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Such a pleasure.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.